There's a certain moment when a stain sets in and you realize a regular cleaner won't be enough. That's where a more focused solution becomes essential. Welcome to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Shark StainStriker portable carpet and upholstery cleaner. This compact, high-performance cleaning tool is designed for homeowners, pet owners, and car enthusiasts who need a reliable way to remove stubborn spots, stains, and odors. If you deal with spills on carpets, upholstery, or car interiors and want a targeted solution that goes beyond surface cleaning, this product is directly relevant to you. As always, you'll find the purchase link in the description. Now, let's explore what makes this cleaner a thoughtful addition to your cleaning routine. Reason 1. Focus stain removal that actually penetrates. What sets this cleaner apart is its dual-activated formula system, which mixes internally to deliver significantly stronger stain-fighting capability. In real-world use, this translates into better results on embedded dirt and older stains that standard sprays often fail to lift. The system works with the machine suction to break down and extract stains rather than simply masking them. Reason 2. Strong suction for visible results. Cleaning performance is not just about the solution, it's about extraction. The ultra-powerful suction in this unit pulls out moisture, dirt, and residue from deep within fabric fibers. This leaves surfaces not only visibly cleaner but also less damp, reducing drying time and helping prevent lingering odors. Reason 3. Practical design for everyday convenience. Weighing under 9 pounds, the compact build makes it easy to carry from room to room or out to your car. It's a tool you're more likely to use regularly because it doesn't feel like a commitment to set up. Storage is equally simple, making it suitable for homes where space matters. Reason 4. On-board self-cleaning system. One of the more overlooked challenges with portable cleaners is maintenance. This model addresses that with an integrated self-cleaning feature that flushes the hose and tool in seconds. With a simple click, the system cycles water and solution internally, reducing buildup and helping maintain consistent performance over time. Reason 5. Versatility across surfaces. This isn't limited to carpets. It's designed for area rugs, upholstery, stairs, and car interiors. Whether it's a coffee spill on a sofa or dirt tracked into a vehicle, the included tools provide flexibility for different surfaces and stain types. This versatility adds long-term value by replacing the need for multiple specialized cleaners. Reason 6. Especially effective for pet-related messes. For households with pets, this cleaner addresses a specific need, removing both stains and odors. It's capable of tackling issues like pet accidents and embedded smells, which often require deeper cleaning. This makes it particularly useful for maintaining a clean and fresh home environment. Reason 7. Complete kit for immediate use. Out of the box, the inclusion of multiple cleaning tools and dedicated solutions means you can begin using it right away. The combination of the mini stain eliminator and 3.5-inch tool allows you to adapt to different cleaning scenarios without additional purchases. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this cleaner consistently earns recognition for delivering noticeable results without unnecessary complexity. Final verdict. The Shark StainStriker is not intended to replace a full-size carpet cleaner for entire floor coverage, and for very large cleaning jobs, a larger unit may be more efficient. However, that's not its purpose. It's designed for precision cleaning, handling the everyday accidents and targeted messes that matter most. It stands out because it combines strong cleaning performance with genuine ease of use. You're getting a focused, reliable solution that fits naturally into daily life rather than something you only bring out occasionally. If you're looking for a dependable way to manage stains quickly and effectively, this is a product worth considering. Take a moment to explore the link in the description and decide with clarity. Buy with confidence.